Don't rush, slow touch, brown and white. I can go country, grab and buy. I can go bust, eye for eye. I can lose trust, white rum, fizzy pop. Where you they go, they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Blam the drive, man it's so tough. Alright yo, put the belly run.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little different, but it's all good. But yeah, in today's video it's going to be a vlog. It's going to kind of be like a montage of different clips, different content, different footage that I've taken and never uploaded before. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a like, thumbs up, okay? And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Bye guys. Alright you guys, so I'm kind of rushing. I have to leave my house in 20 minutes so that I'll have time to I have 20 minutes and I have to drop this stuff off at the post office and go to work. So yeah, I'm rushing so that I'm not late for work, but I guess this is the life of a 9-to-5er slash entrepreneur slash YouTuber. But I meant to film a self-care Sunday routine of me like showing you guys me bleaching this hair, doing this hair, getting my hair done, getting my nails done, you know, trying out some new skincare, you know, self-love and all of that good stuff. But yeah, it was a disaster. It was a complete hot mess. I was looking back at one of my old, not too old, but a video that I did kind of recently, and I was talking to you guys about how I'm going to package up some stuff so that I can go ahead and ship it out, because I was claiming that I would get rid of some of these things. I'm gonna insert a clip of what I'm talking about. I have some inventory on hand that I need to try to get rid of, and I really just want to get rid of it. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start just packaging it up as if it's about to be sold, because I'm going to claim that I'm going to sell these pieces. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stuff. Yeah, it's so crazy how that happened. Literally, I cleared out my home inventory, literally, and that is so crazy. I'm just, wow. When I saw that video again, I was like, God, oh, don't he work fast? Goodness gracious. Meeting up with Mike. You guys probably saw him, was it my last vlog? Oh no, I have went out to eat. He's a real deal foodie. Like, he's a real life foodie. Spray my smell good juice.
I thought you were gonna pull out the lamp church today.
Not today. I keep that in the garage.
I hear you.
How are you?
You got the big boy lighter. How you doing? Hey guys. My name's Mike.
I told him your name.
Oh, you told him my name?
Yeah.
How you ain't gonna let me introduce myself?
Because he was already in my other video.
Don't rush, slow touch, brown and white. I can go country, grab and buy. I can go bust, eye for eye. I can lose trust, white rum, fizzy pop. Where you they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Blam the drive, man it's so tough.
Alright yo, put the belly on the body, make a clutch. She no watch, now she wanna give crutch. Boy got peas, now she hopping in the pod. Man, a real life sugar gal, I might get walked. When she want dark, told her meet me at the top. Switching lanes the other day, I seen him waiting for a bus. Maybe this a Moncler sweater, diesel denim. Buy another one, my pockets fat like heather. Neck froze like I don't know no better. Benzo truck, white seats and they leather. Go broke never, on my grind. She make it clap like I'm Busta Rhymes. I got the juicy sauce and all them things. I blammed it twice a night with all my bling. Big Benz I drive, I brought that thing. Any girl you want, they want my thing.
Don't rush, slow touch, brown and white. I can go country, grab and buy. I can go bust, eye for eye. I can lose trust, white rum, fizzy pop. Where you they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Blam the drive, man it's so tough. Flood my eyes, make a whole blush. Back at the tour bus, getting cool up. D-square, got on de-stress. Got a hand wash, new racks with the old Nikes in the shoebox. Keep my stripes, no cuss. pull up in a new plate, she might just. She went tryna move bait when her eyes locked. New tints on a coupe, that's a head loss. Off my wax, right my wrongs. She my mum while you diddle your thumbs. Count my sums, this is gonna get long. Love my green, I'm tryna get strong. Gonna get on, where I'm from, it's on. Yes, man don't take no dumb threats. They see funds, they hot fence. We've been up, not up, next.
Oh, Cam. So, remember we did the interview.
I had to take my lashes off because it was coming off with or without me. It was coming off with or without me. Like, just take them off.
Just took them off?
I've been took them off.
So this is all Cam.
This has been amazing.
I like that pink.
Me too.
The light is in the way.
Yeah, it's definitely in the way, but I'm gonna get it. We're gonna. That's not gonna be an issue. We're gonna get it, but I'm trying to make sure I got everything else over.
What if I moved over in between right here? Like, you see what I'm saying?
This is. We're gonna get somebody to hold the light out the way.
Oh, yeah, okay.
That's not. I just want to make sure everything else right before I get somebody to move it.
Oh, I was supposed to have some type of food. Oh, you know I can hold a piece of,
Oh yeah, that goes with your shirt.
you know, like this.
That's how you be at home?
My family gonna be like, that nigga don't even eat watermelon. Cause they know I hate watermelon. Sorry to be all up on y'all counter, y'all know. This nice Caucasian counter here. Nice.
We already knew what was coming with it.
Trying to get the perfect shot.
Yeah.
You
Do
know,
your thing, boss.
This light is doing.
trying to be like your boy.
Is this white? Is mine?
So I gotta post like 3 to 4 times a week if I'ma quit. I got to. I have to go. He said my energy was good, you guys.
Her energy's up.
Oh shit! Oh. So, good morning. Oops. I don't want to show you guys my head because my wig is not on. Right now I'm trying to package up some orders before I go to work. It is Friday, July 24th, 9:26 a.m. And I'm trying to package up these orders. Actually, look at that packaging. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is the swimsuit. And my girl bought like all my lashes. Wow, my battery is about to die. My battery is about to die. I have another one somewhere. Okay, so this is for Haley. Boom, done. I literally made a list of like orders that are ready to ship, orders that are ready to ship but needs to be packaged, order items that I need to order, items that I'm missing, well, orders that I'm missing. Okay, so I got Haley's. Okay, so I have like all these are like, this is like me pre-packaging. So when I'm pre-packaging, I just try to put it all kind of together. Large 2-piece, okay. So yeah, when I'm packaging, I kind of just throw them in these white things. But yeah, I'm about to finish packaging. This is what my bed looks like. You guys can kind of see a sneak peek of my room. But y'all already know this is what my bed looks like. I'm currently working on my studio room so that I can package in there. But yeah, I have to go to work soon, so I'm gonna try to finish packaging these up. I have to send off some emails and I have to go to the post office before I go to work today. So just a bald head scallywag. You don't know how to act. Alright, let me quit playing, but yeah, I hope everybody has a great day. Bald head scallywag. You don't know how to act. This is so cute. Okay. So I do have these old lashes. I don't know where they went. Oh, I do have like these old lashes that didn't work out from this other vendor. And I don't want to sell them, so I'm really just giving them away with some purchases. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, so boom. Got that done. Ramen on the tags, baby. Ramen.